With the seamless integration of NavVis IndoorViewer into the powerful 3DEXPERIENCE platform, enterprises can create most comprehensive virtual representations of large-scale environments. All features of NavVis IndoorViewer are available via the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, including searchable geotagged content and the web-based 3D routing tool. Manufacturing operations data from Aprizo, the manufacturing operations management system from Dassault Systèmes, can be connected via the NavVis API and brought into spatial context. This gives all stakeholders easy access to the data in relation to its point of origin and detailed insights about machine setup in the assembly line. This way, NavVis IndoorViewer provides an intuitive visual interface to display, structure, and make sense of the increasing amount of IIoT data captured from the shop floors in a global production network. By seamlessly uploading colored point clouds from NavVis IndoorViewer to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, users can very easily add a very high level of detail to their layout planning workflow. Layout planners can save a lot of time because they don't have to model everything in advance. The point cloud data provides an excellent as-is state to start planning and modeling, making use of all features of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. In this example, a working station is removed from the model to plan a new installation. The use of reality capture data empowers teams to execute their planning scenarios faster and with less mistakes. Simulation scenarios also benefit greatly from leveraging NavVis point cloud data in the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. All features of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform and factory flow simulations can be combined with the highly detailed 3D data directly from the factory. To be able to simulate with the most current and accurate shop floor data in real-world spatial context, enterprises can scan their factories on a regular basis by deploying mapping partners from the global NavVis network. Simulation teams can significantly reduce the lead time to execute simulation scenarios with the additional benefit of increased quality by adding an all-new level of detail through the 3D data.